How to change the color information appearance of a call for a Samsung S24 Ultra or any other Samsung phones with Android 14 One UI 6.0. You'll want to be using the Samsung phone app dialer, which is this one right here. And as you tap on that for the first time, you'll see this here, and you'll see the settings section right here, which is the three dots. And that's going to take you to these here, and you will go to the settings itself. Once in the settings section here now, you're going to see caller information. And in the caller information section, you have a few options. So the profile picture size, basically, which is the circle right there, you can go with small, and it's going to change to that. And then the large, which is that. Then you got show contacts phone number. So if you turn this off, you'll notice there is no phone number. And if you turn it on, the number is going to be right underneath the name. And last, you have show extra details. Basically, the call time, the call phone icon that's there, and any other things that should appear there. Okay, and that's what you can do to change this layout there, like it's up.